The Honor Magic 8 series is launching next month, and Honor has now officially confirmed that its Magic 8 series will feature the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Honor Magic 8 Pro hands-on first look leaks. The images also show the new AI button and a flat metal frame. It features a circular rear camera module that appears to house 3 cameras. Magic 8 Pro also come in gold color. The Magic 8 series could include up to 4 models, including the standard Magic 8, Magic 8 Pro, Magic 8 Mini, and a Magic 8 Ultra. Rumors suggest that the Mini and Ultra variants could be announced in early 2026. The Honor Magic 8 series phones are rumored to be available in 4 color options. All phones in the lineup could come with wireless charging. The Honor Magic 8 Pro is also expected to have a 200MP telephoto camera. Honor sharing Honor Magic 8 Pro night photography images is the true good of the night. And ultrasonic in-display scanners. Honor Magic 8 Pro is on its way to surprise consumers with an 8000 mAh battery. Feature the 100W wired plus 80W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.